This is, I mean, you can break it back a little bit, but
Yeah.
Running on the borderline, southbound on a riverboat to Baton Rouge, hillbound like a rambler with them Cajun blues, rolling down the waterline.
Aim at the top half and then just, yeah, this is deep right here. Three, two, one. Yeah, we got a couple more here.